Hello guys, so as you know, BARC have given a notification for more than 4,000 vacancies where a number of posts were available. Like there was a post of technical officer which was for BE BTech students. Then there was scientific assistant which was for diploma holder and other students. So likewise a large number of vacancies were there. And few days before they have also mentioned that exam would be from 18th to 24th of November. And they also mentioned that before 21 days of exam they will be giving the admit cards. Finally admit cards are available guys, and I know many students were asking about the exam pattern and number of students, what and negative marking will be there or not, calculator is there or not. So all these information today I will be giving you. You may be saying, sir, why today only? Because guys, this is not a regular exam which is happening every year. So the data related to that, all those things were not in the public domain at that time. So now in this admit card only they have mentioned all those things. So now everything is available. So without having the entire exact data, how anyone can tell you, because we can just guess if the exam is not available, if previous year's papers are not available. So guys, right now let us see. This is a admit card from a student side who is going to appear for DR12. DR12 is the post for mechanical, and they have mentioned a place here. Here you need to stick a photo, latest photo of this specification. And guys, they have also mentioned a place where you need to sign, and that signature will be done in the presence of invigilator. So you need to take the printout of this admit card. I would like to give you a brief idea before I go to the admit card, that for this post, if I see in the admit card, I found that exam would be for 1 hour. Total number of questions would be 50. Negative marking is there. One question 3 marks. 1 mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. Calculators are not allowed from outside, but scientific calculator on screen will be available. There are many other details, so just stay with us to get complete information. Then my dear, you can see 22nd November is the exam date for this candidate. Reporting time is 7:30, 8:30 is the entry closing time. They have mentioned if you are getting late by this, you will not get entry. 9 a.m. is the starting time for CBT. Then my dear, they are also giving you this, okay. This is, please retain this slip with you in case you are shortlisted. You will be required to produce this at the time of interview. So this part of the admit card will be provided to you. This part will be taken by the invigilator. So this part you need to take. If you would be selected now, then this would be required at the time of interview. Then instructions are, first instruction says, if you are not eligible as per the notification, do not appear for CBT. Second, they are saying that photograph is mandatory and you need to come with the ID card, either Aadhaar card, voter ID card, or any other IDs which you are using, like the PAN card is also there. And they are also mentioning that if your identity, if your ID card is not having the birth detail, date of birth detail, then you need to have additional documentation like 10th mark sheet for that purpose. Then they are saying that if there is any change in the marital status of your, then for that you need to have the relevant document such as gazetted notification, marriage certificate and all. So guys, they have also mentioned if you find any problem in this admit card and anything is not as per your field detail, then this is the contact number. You can call to this from Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6:30. Okay, they will call you and they will give you the answer that, or they will give you suggestions how to correct it. FAQ also you can see, and they have mentioned the website link. Then my dear, they are also saying that candidate will be permitted to appear for the CBT only after credentials are verified. Center officials would be checking your credentials, then only you will get entry. So then they are also mentioning that you need to reach before scheduled reporting time. If you are going late, then my dear, they will not be allow you to enter. Okay, they have also mentioned that the candidate capturing of photograph, biometric, allotment of terminal, announcement of instruction, all these things are there. So these will take time. Then they have also mentioned no candidate will be allowed to enter the examination center after entry closing time. Okay. Then they are also saying candidate is advised to locate the examination center allotted to them and its accessibility at least 1 day before, so that you shall not be in hurry on that day and you are not aware where the center is. Sometime it happens that with the same name 2 things are there. we reach to the wrong center, so take care of that. Then my dear, they are saying one more thing here, कि without permission you cannot leave from the examination center. Then they are also saying that कि whatever the examination city and time is given to you, that is going to be valid and you cannot request for change of that. Then they have also mentioned the candidate shall sign in the space provided in the presence of invigilator. Candidate is required to submit the admit card to the invigilator and collect the acknowledgement slip which I have shown you before leaving the hall. This is CBT in which questions are displayed on computer monitor and candidates are required to select the correct option using mouse. However, for rough work you will get the pages, and that rough pages will also be submitted at the time of exiting the examination hall. They are saying that you cannot have books, notes and all cheats vagera. Okay, they are not, if you are going to have this, they will be not allowing you to enter. So they have mentioned that bits of paper, geometry, pencil box, plastic, pencil, scale, log, all these things are not required. Okay, so they have specially mentioned this. Wristwatch, fitness band, wallet, Google, Bluetooth devices, calculator, debit card, electronic pen, all these things are strictly prohibited. You may be saying, sir, Kelsey is not allowed. Kelsey is not there, but outside Kelsey is not there. Online calculator, on-screen calculator will be available. So they have mentioned it is mandatory for the candidate to undergo frisking process before entering the examination. That is, you should not be having any jewelry or metallic object, because metal detector testing can also be there. Indulging in any of the malpractice, you know, your candidature will be cancelled. PWBD candidates would be getting extra time for some cases which is mentioned in the notification as per the detail. In the event of CBT disrupted due to any technical network issue, sometime it happens like last time when BARC exam was conducted for BTech students for the scientist post. At that time some students got network issue. So this time they have mentioned if you find any network issue on the spot, you inform it to the invigilator and he would be taking care of that, and whatever the time would be taken by the invigilator for all that process, that would be given to you as extra time. For that you need to inform him timely, okay, so that you can save your time from wasting in the technical network issues. Then my dear, the CBT will comprise of 50 questions and they have mentioned that it is of 1 hour duration. So 60 minutes, 50 questions. Questions and its option will be available only in English. 3 marks will be awarded for correct answer. 1 mark will be deducted for wrong answer. And they have also mentioned, for the benefit of candidates, a mock test for familiarization and practice with CBT is available. And they are saying calculator is not allowed. However, on-screen scientific calculator will be provided. It is similar to the GATE Kelsey. Then the result of CBT will be declared on the website. You can check, and the interview schedule also will be provided to you. For SC/ST candidates, if you see, there were some rule for traveling allowance. They have mentioned the same. NOC would be required for government job officials. If you are doing a government job, then candidate needs to make his or her travel or stay arrangement by his own. They have mentioned that. And BARC reserve all the right to go for re-examination if required in any particular case. So guys, these are the details I have discussed with you. Now let us go to the number of candidates. So this is the list available with the number of candidates who have applied. So check your competition. Okay. So my dear, as we are majorly talking about technical officer post, which was for BE BTech students. So here if you see for that, for civil, the total number of candidates applied is 17,409. It is including SC, ST, OBC, EWS and general category. Then if you see for chemical, the number is 3,827. For computer science, the number is 9,636. For electrical, the number is 17,280. For electronics, the number is 13,806. For instrumentation, number is small 1626. For mechanical, number is as usual highest 24,717, because the number of posts are also highest for mechanical. So guys, likewise this list is available on the website of BARC. So if you want to check any of the data, you can check from this. And those who are not much aware about the vacancy, I will be showing you this. This was the vacancy which came in the month of April. and 22 May was the last date to appear. You can see total for technical officers 181 seats are there, and overall if you will see 12,16,2946 plus these vacancies are there. So if you see for technical officer, they have mentioned branch wise, like for computer science 12, for civil 20, for chemical 20, for drilling 8, for drilling BE BTech students are eligible, for electrical 23, for electronics 15, for instrumentation 8, for mechanical 44. So my dear, for these 44 plus for these 3 vacancies, sorry, not for these 3, this 44 and drilling vacancy, mechanical were having 52 options total, 52 seats total. So guys, this is about all the details of CBT, number of candidates. So I feel now you get all the data, and we would soon be coming with the mock test for this, because in the November month only you have the final exam. So all the best guys for this exam. Hope you guys would be getting selected, and goodbye for this particular video. Stay tuned with us. Join my Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. You will get all the informations, detail, whatever details about you can say vacancies are coming. I will share the documents there also, and you also get the classes link for mathematics, which is common for all the branches, and for mechanical you will get each and everything as it is related to more mechanical. Okay, so goodbye guys, and stay tuned with us, and we will be meeting again for further things if something is coming. Goodbye, stay tuned.